The trade's still good. If it goes beyond this, then that's why I have my stop loss there because I want him to I want price to respect this fair value gap here to come fill this one. After this one, I do feel that if price wants to keep going higher or maybe lower, I mean, throughout the day, I want to see him react from here and it could possibly come take this liquidity here to keep dropping. But it could also do this for me. Like it could come take this liquidity and keep pushing up because that's what I've been doing since the beginning of the week, since yesterday. So I'm gonna see how I manage the trade best the best of my ability. So I'm gonna take half here and put myself at break even and potentially let the rest for market open to see if he wants to come even deeper over here. I'm gonna start taking profits, like maybe here, here, and just see what it wants to do because like I said, it could come, take this liquidity here, like over here, and just keep pushing up. Price could do that too. So I'm gonna take half here and yeah, see what it wants to do from there. Um, put a market limit so I don't even have to do anything. Is 949. Mm. Yeah, so I secure at least a couple, you know, hundreds. Because like I said, it could reverse from here too. If it wants to make a bigger retracement for the day, lower. We'll see. Let's see. I'm gonna track it from here. On the next push down, once it takes this out, I'm gonna go break even, so I don't lose anything. Because once I see price coming from here, I want him to drop hard from here. I don't want him to play around here. So as soon as it takes this low right here, I'm moving my stop to break even because I don't want him to come back up. If it does, I don't want to be in the trade. I want to move it fast from here, like very fast. It needs to move. Yeah, I'm gonna break even. I don't lose anything no more. So now we just let the market do its thing. I already removed risk. I'm already on a free trade, so let it do its thing. Mhm.
Order filled.
All right, so we just wait for market open. I'm just gonna wait for market open, and that's it. I'll be back in a little bit. I still like it, you know.
Order filled.
Especially because it took this one here. But I'm gonna take 10 here out. You know. Oh, you got the wrong number, bro.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna manage it the most I can to see how much I could take out this trade. I'm gonna take 3 more here. We most likely won't respect this because the way it's moving fast. So if it comes back here, I'm safe. I want to see how much I could squeeze out of this. And I want to be able, if I go this combine halfway at least today. There it could reach halfway, but I'm gonna take some here. So I might move it a little more if it goes to this target. Well, now I'm in a free trade. I'm gonna just hold it to see as much as I can. Like I said here, I'm gonna take another 3. See what happens. I'm guaranteed 500 today, so something tells me to just hold it because I feel like price could literally melt from here, but it could go stop me out before it do that. But I'm in a risk-free trade, so closing it now is just gonna make me another what, $100. So I feel like I'm in a good spot right there if price wants to keep dropping. So I'm gonna hold it. We're gonna see if it holds this fair value gap. If it close one of these candle bearish here, then we're definitely gonna melt. We're definitely gonna go at least to this low here because there's another fair value gap here. So I really want to see what price do around here. Well, like I was saying earlier, price could just go from here and take this liquidity out because there's a lot of people maybe short from here and keep dropping. So we'll see. But the ideal for me, if I want to see price keep going up, the ideal would be to like grab all this liquidity and then keep pushing up. That's like the ideal scenario for me. So if it wants to keep going up to these highs, I want to see price come give a retracement around this area at least. It doesn't have to come all the way here, but at least around here within this internal range. Then keep pushing up. We'll see. Like I said here, I'm gonna take another 3. I want to see how this candle closes. That's gonna tell me a lot too about this liquidity grab. And then this will be like the final target for me for the day. I'm in a good spot. I like it. I like it exactly where stop is. If it stop me out there, I'm not. I'm okay with it. I'm taking the extra $100 risk that I'm putting in for price to do that. I'll feel more confident if it doesn't even touch this gap here and just leave it there for later and just drop. Because if it uses it, the odds for it to keep dropping kind of for me, it lowers too. So there you go. I wanna it's gonna tell a lot right there. Let me see here how it looks. Mm, it's fine. It's still bearish, but it could come wake me out, use this and drop. But I don't want him to do that. If it wants to keep dropping, I don't want it to do that. But it could do that. When market opens, it could wick all the way up here and keep dropping. But I feel like it's gonna respect this because the way it's closed is just wicking, but it's not closing. It's like it's struggling to close this gap bearish. You know, we'll see. We still in the trade. Straight still valid to come as long as it holds this now. There's a fight there between bearish and bullish. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. It could probably stay there for market open. I hope not. 925, there's an algorithm that turns on, so maybe it either stops me out there or it moves to my targets. $9.25 will be the decision of this move. Either it stops me out or it's gonna go. $9.25. Let's wait for $9.25. Come on, let's go. Melt. Few more seconds. This is the decision of this trade. Decision. Either you gonna go up or you gonna melt. And that's the telling you, 925 is the time. A lot of liquidity is injected right there. Let's go. Come on. Stop me out. Or go to my TP. Either or. Either or is fine for me. I prefer my TP though. Come on. Drop. Drop it like it's hot. There you go. Let me secure more profit. 'Cause I don't want him more up there. He already did what he's gonna do here. So I don't want him to go back up there. For what? You don't need to. He could. I wouldn't want that. I want to see it drop hard from here now and take this out. And then this one. And more if he wants to. Come on. Let's go. Melt. Drop, Nasta. Drop, Nasta. There you go. Now keep it close, close the gap. You see, it doesn't. There's a lot of they fighting here. You know, they fighting here. I wanted this candle to close bearish, so it could close the gap. If it does that, then we're going down. But it's fighting here. Bullish is not. They're not giving out the fight. There you go. There you go. Keep the momentum. Come on. Come on. Let's secure more profit, you know, because I don't want to go back up there to the gap. I really don't. It doesn't need to. If it wants to melt, it doesn't need to. I don't need him to go back there. I want him to keep this gap, because if it doesn't, then it might as well just reverse from there. Come on. You could do it. He's gonna wait for the market open, and market open is probably gonna go and take me out and then go. You know that's what I usually do. But sometimes it just drops. Let's see. Let's see.
Order filled.
There you go. Exactly what I said. Go take me out, and now it's gonna go. Watch it go now. I'm closing this account because I already trade. I already trade this account. Max 2 trade. So that one I'm done with. I want to pass this one. I'm close to passing, but I feel like today, it's not a day I should be trading that. I'm just gonna wait. You see, for trying to secure a little more dollars, it's going my direction. But market's gonna open in 1 minute. I was squeezing the price too much. You know, I should have just let it be. You learn from those things too. You know, those things teaches you to like just keep your stop where it is. Keep it there. I would have still been in the trade, but it's fine. It's fine because I was doubting the trade already. Be back. I don't trust anything right now. Damn, I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm not gonna get like I still got these levels that I want to see price go to, but as market open, you gotta wait. You know, because when market opens, gets really violent. So I don't want to rush into anything right now. As much as I want to short this market right there, but No, no, no. You just wait. I, I feel like even buying is tricky around here. I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait for it to grab one of the liquidities, either here or this one. Because price been on this range all night. And you don't want to just get into trades based on your emotions. I like the short, but again,
Order filled.
damn, feel me horrible there. Do I really want to hold that trade like that? It's the question. That was a horrible feel for me. I mean, I like it. I'm gonna just hold it. Put my stop here. Nah, that's my stop there. Fuck that. This shit is melting, bro. I'm gonna take two here. Oh my god.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
start taking some, man. Because I don't want this price to reverse on me after that drop.
Order filled.
I'm gonna grab one more. Let's ride it. Let's see. I'm
Order filled.
I'm out. I could have hold it. I see this price going here. It's very strong to come here. It's just I don't have the stomach to hold it. I feel like I've been trading more than I usually do. I don't usually hold trade. I don't know. I got out at the perfect time. It's a good scalp. Good trade. I'm done. Done with this account for the day. The goal is not to pass it in one day, man. Still good to short. Do I really want to short it? It's the question. From there, is shorting it is too expensive. Like it's still on this time frame, it looks nice to do it. Like right here. But I feel like it could still come here and touch these highs. But if we're that bearish, it should go from here. You know, it should go from like here.
Order filled.
I go play to pass this account today because I still, like I said, I like this. I like price to come here, man. I really do. Like this drop here, I see it. But I'm done
Order
there.
filled.
Fine. Fine with me. Cause it could reverse here. I don't want it to reverse from here. It could give a retracement all the way over here to keep dropping. I don't want that. I am done, man. That's it. Good day for me. This account is almost there, man. This is my first trade of the month. These are the other trades. I've been with this account for like 3 months. I'm trying to build consistency, and one thing I need to work on myself is how to be more patient in my trade, but also how to manage my risk, but also how to walk away from a red day. That's one of the hardest things that I have been struggling with, you know? One of the hardest things I've been struggling with. To walk away on a red day, it's tough for me. I don't know what I should have just left a runner, keep my stop here, and just walk away and see it reach this. Like I see it going there. I would have passed this account today. But like I said, I don't wanna just I wanna take it slowly. I don't need to pass it today. I really don't. And I just wanna stay patient. If I have to pay another month to pass this, I'll pay it. But I wanna take my time. But that's not what I want. I still got days for me for this one. I could make this in one day, but it just gotta take the right setup. This setup, I wasn't that comfortable shorting, and I was shorting it because I see it. I see the short here, like higher time frames. You can see we're inside this gap, you know, price reacted here. But what had me concerned is price could manipulate this high to keep dropping. It didn't do that. You see, it's dropping. But you know why? It's because exactly what I'm saying. This price is a little bullish for the week. I see this price going here, but I'm overall long term, I'm bearish. Like I see the Nasdaq dropping very hard soon, you know, but I feel like it still needs to go a little higher before it do that. and I might see these highs taken out. So I'll see tomorrow. I'll see what it do today, and I'll see tomorrow. I see, like I said, coming here. I see it coming here. I should have hold a runner up to here and keep my stop either I break even or up there. I mean, I should have just hold the trade and put my stop there because potentially see this trade, this price going here at least, and I would have passed this account. But like I said, it's things that I need to improve, I need to work on, and I'm not mad. I'm fine with where I got out. It is what it is. Like this short that I was making here, I mean, it's a risky short, but I liked it. I liked it due to like price didn't do anything overnight, literally, and it was creating like structure on these time frames, 15 seconds and 1 minute. This was like the target for the that I was aiming for, but more in these, but I was seeing these too. That I didn't hold my trade up to there is things that I need to improve, and I will improve with time to hold trades and be comfortable holding trades. Be comfortable even leaving it at break even and reversing and taking me out. Because if I would have done that, the other account would have been halfway and I would have passed this one. Most likely. But I'm fine. I'm done for the day too. I'm out of here.